Did you know you can get up to €600 for a delayed or cancelled flight in the EU? That's right. EU law protects passengers under Regulation EU 261, and airlines are required to compensate you if your flight is delayed more than 3 hours, cancelled, or even overbooked. But don't worry if this sounds complicated. It's actually pretty simple. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process to claim your compensation without having to deal with any complicated paperwork or legal matters. Whether your flight was with a budget airline or a major carrier, the rules apply to all flights within or leaving the EU, including connecting flights. First, I'll show you how to determine if your flight is eligible. You'll need details like your flight number, date of travel, and the reason for the delay or cancellation. Once you have that, you're ready to move to the next step. Point 1. Quick and easy way to get your compensation is through services like Compensair. They take care of everything for you, from handling your claim to following up with the airline, and they only charge a fee if your claim is successful. This means no risk for you. To get started with them, just follow the link in the description, fill in your flight details, and they'll do the rest. Once you've submitted your claim, it can take a few weeks to get the compensation depending on the airline's process. But don't worry, I'll guide you through the timeline and what to expect next. If your claim is successful, you can receive your compensation directly to your bank account. That's money back in your pocket for a delayed or cancelled flight you thought you couldn't do anything about. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more helpful travel tips.